Welcome back to another video, traders, and if you're new to the channel, welcome to Charting Trends for Trading Tesla. I'm TJ. Let's take a look at the chart. Here's the chart for Tesla. We're on a 10-day, 10-minute chart. It's a fairly lackluster day. We actually came out and just fell right off the open, following through the support at 842 and eventually recovering and making a huge bounce. I'm not sure what happened here. If anyone knows that there's a good reason for this move in the middle of the day, please let me know in the comments, because it doesn't really make any sense to me. But after this big jump out to 864, we ended up teetering out and slowly fading off back into pretty much where we started, popping off a little bit to close the day around 852. Not surprised at all, honestly. You know, we talked about a lot of possibilities. We talked about breaking down and falling through this, consolidating into the support, popping off and testing this. You know, we talked about a lot of things yesterday, but the key message here is that we're consolidating into the middle of this channel between 884 and 811. And if you look at the day as a whole, that's exactly what we did. We tested the bottom, we came out, we tried to test the top, and we ended up right back where we started. We're still in bearish consolidation, still consolidating into the middle of this channel, still fitting into the larger trend of good days and bad days, but bearish consolidation, holding the downtrend and consolidating into the middle of the channel. And you know, normally I would just call this consolidation. The reason why I'm going to call it bearish consolidation is because if we look at the larger markets, the S&P 500, we hit a new all-time high today. You know, after continuing up after hours yesterday and pre-market, we tested this support around 387 and ended up hitting 388.47, highest the S&P has ever been, and closing pretty close to that, just below 388. The NASDAQ as well hit an all-time high today at 332.4 after pre-market move, a test of the support here, the close yesterday, and a nice strong move, kind of lining up with Tesla's move in the middle of the day and teetering out a little bit the way that Tesla did as well, but finishing higher, a green day for the NASDAQ after hitting an all-time high. So that's why, you know, and look at the chart here. Look at the chart here. Since the 29th, so basically a full week, we've been on a bull trend here with only really this one slight pullback and going, you know, up into new all-time highs. Whereas the Tesla chart, it's all over the place, it's inconsistent, it's holding the downtrend, and it's consolidating into the middle of the channel here. So still bearish in the short term. I still expect mostly sideways action, and eventually I think we are going to fall through the support at 842, go down and retest the bottom of this channel, and when that happens, you know, we might see lower lows again, and I think at some point we will. But until something changes here, Tesla is not moving with the market to the upside. It's consolidating into the middle. It's moving sideways, if anything, if you want to be optimistic. But I think over the longer trend, what we're seeing are lower lows and lower highs, sideways consolidation to the downside. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to comment below. I read all the comments, and if you want to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button. And if you like my analysis, I have another channel where I analyze a different stock every single day, so go on and check that out too. Thanks, guys, and have a great night.